Guys, I want to write here the number, it means serial number to these all names. So this is these are the names and these are the salaries. How can I write auto generate a serial number? It means I wanna write it auto, it means auto generate is all serial number. How can I write these all? I don't wanna write like here 1 2 3 or maybe something, because if I have 10,000 or 1,000 employees, it will be very difficult for me that I will write all of them, because it's boring. But easy, just select all this column, then click on the home and click on the numbering, then it is auto generated. Just I want to press the tab button here, write down Jalal, for example, like here Jalal, and this is his salary. Next Wali, and this is his salary. So we can auto generate like this one.